Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and to check out the join membership option.
Alright guys, so welcome to this mini tutorial, and today we will cover up the health thing regarding this building right here. So many of you have tried to change the health or have been receiving issues with that, and I just wanted to cover up this topic very briefly, so this is not going to be a long video today, I think. And yeah, so let's just begin with that. And to begin with that, you should open this TD folder right here. So this contains everything in terms of tower defense. And then you just have to go to this building thing right here. And as you can see, this thing contains values like health and max health. And if you want to increase the health, then you would first of all need to increase the max health to, I don't know, let's say you want this building to have 500 health. Then you need to change the max health's value to 500 as well. And then you need to change the health's value as well. If you do not want to start like halfway. So let's say that you would just keep it as it is. So you have a max health of 500 and have a current health of 100. Then this thing would be, or this bar would be right here. So it would not start with the full health. So let me just quickly demonstrate you this, guys. So your building will not start with full health, as you can see. And therefore, we will need to change the health's value to 500 as well. So always keep those two values equal. So let me change this as well. And this is the way on how you change that building's health right here. So I don't know what you guys have been doing, so trying to change it while testing will not work, so the changes will not save. And even if you try to change as a client, so this is the client's perspective, as you can see, this is bluely outlined. And if you try to go inside of this folder and then try to change everything, then this will not work, because this building belongs to the server and not to the client, and therefore only changing it through the server. So if you click this button up here, you change the perspective, and yeah, so you're only able to change these stats while being a server. And as you can see, you can make this drop down to 0, and yeah, it also replicates to the client. So this is the way on changing. Oh well, no, do not change this health while testing, okay? So only change it when you're like able to edit freely. So when being in this mode right here, so being outside this testing mode. So this is the way to change it. So I can also demonstrate you the opposite. So let me drop this down to 50. And if we would keep it this way, then the bar would like be outside. Let me demonstrate you this quickly. So our max health is at 50, but our health is at 500, which is okay. So our bar, so our bar is not outside because we are using a billboard GUI, and it like cuts out everything after this point right here. So this is the reason why. But if you want to make the building have less health from the start or from the beginning, then you would need to drop down the max health to your desired health, and then also drop down the health as well, and also make sure that both are equal in values. Otherwise you would like start with less health than you intended the tower or the building to have. Alright guys, so this is it with the video. And also do not worry about when, like, let me show it to you guys. So as you see, my max health is 50, but it still displays 100 from 100, okay? So do not worry about that. This is just some kind of default text, and it does not represent what health actually what kind of health the building actually has. So do not worry about that. This changes immediately once you test or once you play. So this does not stay forever. This does not represent the truth. This only represents some default text which is being changed later, as you can see. Alright guys, so that's it with the video. If you have enjoyed it, then please leave a like, subscribe, share it to all of your friends. Also check out the join member option and turn on the notification bell. And thank you for all of your support recently. You guys are really amazing. You're showing me an immense amount of support. It is very insane, guys. We are growing very, very fast right now, and I'm very happy that you guys seem to like this tower defense series, and some of you even suggested something like Anime Battleground, so a series on that, and I have to admit that I really like that suggestion, and I think that I will actually do it once this tower defense topic, this tower defense series has come to an end, guys. So let's take things slowly. Okay. Also, don't forget to check out the description because I'm creating a game myself, so I'm creating a One Piece game, which is going to be revolutionary, guys, so it is going to be like no other One Piece game. Okay, so if you're interested in it, then I really would like to see you inside of my Discord server. And if you join my Discord server, then let me know, like ping me, tell me that you're from my YouTube channel, and alright guys, take care and see you in the next video.